Good day, I am Yahweh is my God. A few months ago, I made a video about the illumination of all consciences, and in that video, I told that the illumination of all consciences, or the warning as they call it, will happen in 2024. And 2024 ended, but nothing happened. I just want to make things clear. I did not deceive anybody who had saw that video or the reel that I made. I told the truth. I myself had thought that it would happen anytime last year. I was hoping until the very last minute of 2024 that it will happen, but it did not happen. Apparently, God delayed the warning for unknown reason. So, I don't really know when it will happen. Nobody knows. Only God knows. Last year, Jesus appeared to me and told me to make a video about the illumination of all consciences, and he said that time is of the essence, meaning time is of the utmost importance. So I did what he told me and made a video about the warning. Unfortunately, it did not happen last year, and I too was disappointed. I guess God has some other plans. God also gave me a dream about the miracle of Garabandal and its connection to Carlo Acutis, and I made a video about it. But I don't know if that will happen this year as well. God can reroute or delay certain events from happening. But since the warning did not happen last year, maybe it will happen this year. Probably. I don't know. We will see. So for now, I just wanted to make things clear that I did not lie to anybody. And for those people who saw my video, I do apologize. I know some people probably believe that it will happen last year just like I did. So I apologize that it did not happen as you had expected. But just because God rerouted or delayed the warning, it does not mean that it will not happen. In fact, it might happen any time within this year. We might be seeing a supernatural event this year. Probably. So, that is all. Thank you and may God bless you.